we started this commitment with many axes. The first one is the technological factor. We partnered with Meta2i coming from Intelligence Industrial, a company that has 37 years old in the industry. The first customer of Meta2i, it's a 30 years old customer that remain and evolving the same system, helping all these, manufacturing to resolve their problems and obstacles during their production. So the founders of the company, they didn't wake up one day by saying, let's build a software or our application or so. They've been working in production environment, and they've been facing all these obstacles and difficulties. And they've been trying, looking for data, the source of data. Back in 1989, they believed that the data is the next oil, and they need to, capture this data all over the production floor, and to consolidate this data to deliver and make as my colleague said, to make the day and the shift of the operators more easier, and to help the decision maker to take the decision. So the first one was the technological. Our aim with IoTech, and with this big support from our network and partner, is to localize the first technological manufacturing execution system, which is called KmProd, coming from knowledge management production. And this will be the first, Saudi platform, at this level to contribute and, digitalizing the factories and to make the industrial intelligence, accessible to everybody. The second one, we've been, and I have my colleague from SIDF, Tanafusiya, next to me. I want to thank, the Ministry of Industry with the Future Factories program. We are part of this program right now. We are certified series. We are part of the program of Tanafusiya. We receive lots of help. There's a lot of exchange between the stakeholder, the regulation side, and us in terms of sensibilization. Also, a big thank to C4IR, the Center of Industrial Revolution 4, and to Dr. Basmah Ibrahim, where we put in place, a series of seminars and webinars, for the awareness and sensibilizations of the people in the sector. And we are very happy because also with King Saud University, we launched the first industrial intelligence program. We finished, just the second session of this. And we have lots of, engineering department students getting interested in this program. We are willing, to, among the pilot projects, the POCs that we established already in CACST, in some of the aluminium, plastic, steel factories, to push them forward to bring the best service to the sector.